In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an appointment schedule in Google Calendar. This is a great way to manage your time efficiently and ensure that your appointments are well organized and easy to schedule. So, let's dive in. First, open up your Google Calendar. Once you're there, you're going to want to look for the Create button. It's typically located on the left side of your screen. Give it a click. This initiates the process of creating a new event, but today we're focusing on setting up appointment schedules, so in the drop-down menu that appears, select Appointment Schedule. Next, enter the title for your appointment. This title should be descriptive enough for your attendees to immediately understand the purpose of the meeting, whether it's a consultation, a team meeting, or perhaps a tutoring session. Moving on, it's important to set the right appointment duration. Under the Appointment Duration section, select the amount of time you'd like each appointment to last. Think about how much time is realistically needed to achieve your meeting goals without feeling rushed or dragging on too long. After setting the duration, you'll come across the General Availability settings. This is where you can set the specific days and times you're available for appointments. Be sure to adjust these times to fit your personal schedule. You'll also have the option to customize individual schedules. Perhaps you're available late on Tuesdays or need a break Thursday mornings. Feel free to adjust your schedule to reflect your real-time availability. Don't forget to change the time zone to match your current location, especially if you're working with clients or colleagues from different parts of the world. This step ensures that everyone is on the same page regarding the timing of the appointment. As you progress, you'll come to the Scheduling window section. Customize this according to your preference. This can determine how far in advance appointments can be booked and whether you prefer a certain buffer time between meetings. This can help manage back-to-back meetings without overlap. Click Next to continue with the setup. Here, you'll have the chance to change the location of your appointment. Whether it's a specific physical location or an online meeting platform, make sure it's clear for all participants. Once you've finalized all these details, hit the Save button. Your appointment schedule is now ready, but let's take one more step to preview it. Click on Open Booking Page to review how everything looks from a guest's perspective. This is what people will see and use to book their slots with you. Now, if everything looks good and you're ready to share it, you can easily do so by copying the link provided. Simply click on it, then send this link to anyone you'd like to schedule time with, whether via email, messaging app, or however you prefer. And there you have it, a fully set up appointment schedule in Google Calendar. This tool should greatly enhance your ability to coordinate meetings effectively and with ease. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.